Did you know you can earn Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two biggest cryptos on the market, simply by staking with Nuls? That's right, for free just by owning Nuls. Today, I'll show you how it works and why this is an incredible opportunity. Bitcoin and Ethereum are leaders in the crypto market. But what if I told you that with Nuls, you can earn these two cryptos while supporting an innovative project with immense potential? Nuls is a modular cryptocurrency and a pioneer in multi-gas consensus, bringing more flexibility and efficiency to the blockchain market. And here's the game changer: Nuls is the only cryptocurrency that offers rewards in Bitcoin and Ethereum for staking. It's like a top-tier crypto rewards program. And do you know what's even better? Nuls is still at the beginning of its journey. With the crypto market entering a bull run, Nuls has massive growth potential. Have you ever thought about staking today and benefiting from both the rewards and the project's growth? So don't miss this opportunity to combine security, innovation, and real rewards. Start staking with Nuls today and get ready to earn Bitcoin and Ethereum. Want to know more? Leave your comment below and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more content like this. Join the future of cryptocurrencies with Nuls. Your next big opportunity starts now.